It's a piece titled Spinner Forest. It's a kinetic piece, it's an installation, but it's also an object. It was important for me to come here to the museum just to get a sense of what it felt like, how it could sort of fit within the space, and where is it located within the space. All of these things determine how it's built, the impact, the introduction to the museum. In my head, I'm thinking beacon, I'm thinking it's setting the tone. It's an aha moment. It's something sort of, it's fantastical, it's beautiful, it's architectural. It merges, it sort of connects, it's sort of built within. Those are sort of like these critical points that really help shape that sort of experience for me.